Daniel's the light J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The 6, the quenga and the 4 gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight JA. Today I am showing you how to make this delicious, quick, simple and easy potato salad. To make my potato salad, I am using Irish potato, mayonnaise, eggs, mixed vegetables, onions and scallions, black pepper, salt and granulated sugar. So the first step to take is to put on a pot with water and let it come to a boil and add salt. As you can see here, I have washed and peeled and diced my Irish into bite-sized cubes. All I'm going to do now is add it to the boiling water. And to that same water I am adding my eggs. I'll just leave this to cook and then I'll test my potatoes with a fork, and as soon as the fork easily runs through the potato, then I'll take them off the fire and drain them. Moving on, I have placed my boiled potato cubes in this bowl here, along with my eggs, which I have cut into bite-sized pieces as well. And all I'm going to do now is just to include my additional ingredients, which are my mixed vegetables. And I like a lot of vegetables in my potato salad. Next I'm adding my onions, my scallions and my bell peppers. Then I am adding a sprinkle of granulated sugar. I am also adding a sprinkle of black pepper. And last but not least, I am adding my mayonnaise. And then all I'm going to do now is just to thoroughly mix everything together. And here you have it, my version of the potato salad. The full recipe for my potato salad will be in the description box below. Show some love by subscribing to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, like my video, leave a comment about my potato salad, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.